Hello, my dear students. Welcome back again in my online English class. Dear students, last day we have done a chart on Amizar. So, in our today's class, we are going to do a chart on has and have, where to use has and where to use have. And also, we will do an exercise on has and have. So, without wasting our time, let's get started. Dear students, have a look. Here I made a chart on has and have. As we have already learned earlier that where to use has and where to use have. Today again we are going to learn the same thing. So, we use has when we talk about only one person or one thing or one animal, means when we talk about singular noun, right? When we talk about singular. Next, we use have when we talk about plural, means many. When we talk about plural, means many. And we also use have with I and you. Now, let's start. Let's start from first column. Our first column is has column. We use has with he. He means one boy. So we will use has with he. He has. Next, she. She means we are talking about only one girl. So we will use she has. Next, it. It means only one thing or one animal. So we can say it has. Next, bird. Bird means we are talking about only one bird. So we can say bird has. Next, Rahul. Rahul means we are talking about only one boy. So we can write here Rahul has. Next, my mom. My mom means here I am talking about only one person, my mom. So we can write here my mom has. Next, pen. Pen means here I am talking about only one thing. So I can say pen has. Now let's go for the next. Our next column, it's haves column. So let's see. Here in haves column, I have written I, you, we, they, birds, girls, my mom and dad pencils. So we use have when we talk about more than one. When we talk about more than one means many, or we can say plural. Now let's see their uses. Here, as I always say, that we use I with have. I and have are friends, so we will use I with have. So we will say I have. Next, we will use you with have. So we can say you have. You have. In our last day, I told you no, I and you, these both are exceptional. That is why we use I have and you have. Next, we. We means we are talking about many people. So we can write here we have. Next, they. They means also same. We are talking about many people. So we can write they have, or we are talking about many animals. So we can say they have. Next, birds. Birds means we are talking about many birds. So we can say birds have. Next, girls. Girls means again we are talking about many girls. So we can say girls have. Next, my mom and dad. So my mom and dad means we are talking about here two people. Here we are talking about two people. So we can say my mom and dad have. Next, pencils. Pencils means we are talking about more than one thing, many things, right? So we can say pencils have. So I hope all of you have understood where to use has and where to use have. So my dear students, I request all of you to write CW and write today's date and do this exercise in your copy and do it on your own without taking any help. Okay?